Now, this is how we can delete all information from the iPhone. Let me talk about it. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. A lot of people might want to delete stuff one by one. For example, selecting all the photos in the gallery and deleting those. And yeah, you could technically do that, but the best way to completely wipe the phone would be by using the settings app where you can locate the general settings. And at the bottom, we have a section called Transfer or Reset iPhone. And at the bottom again, there is Erase All Content and Settings button. And this is the most important part for our use case because we can tap that. You will obviously have to authenticate yourself a few times over, but you can see that erasing the iPhone will sign you out from all of these services. So not only every single piece of information, including your contacts, photos, and everything else will be deleted and gone forever, but also you'll be signed out from your Apple account, from your Find My. So as I said, you'll have to confirm your identity a few times. But the point is that you do this if you want to sell your iPhone or give it away to someone else or simply wipe it clean so nothing, not a trace from you stays on that device. So it depends on what the goal is, but since we are trying to delete all of the information from the iPhone, that is likely the thing that you are going after. So just make sure you do it this way and you can rest assured that nothing personal stays on the phone and you can sell it or do whatever else you need with it. But that would be about it from me. I honestly hope that I could quickly guide you through the whole topic. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more tutorials and quick guides, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos too.